University of Indonesia expressed support to the country to gain the target timely.
During a visit of Queensland University and University of Indonesia to Tata Metal Lestari, a scholar at University of Indonesia, Bambang Heru Susanto, said that Indonesia is able to reach net zero emission by 2050, so the country can then manage its natural resources better. The target is reachable if the Indonesian government is supported by both of private and public sectors.
Ya, target itu memang secara optimis harus dilakukan ya. Jadi makin menaik, makin bagus. Karena tentunya yang akan mendapat keuntungan tidak hanya dari pemerintah sebagai regulator, tapi tentunya industri sebagai pemeran. Dan tentunya yang paling besar mendapatkan kemanfaatan itu adalah seluruh bangsa. Karena dengan adanya karbon yang diatur lebih rendah dari tahun ke tahun gitu ya, maka tentunya dari sisi lingkungan itu akan menguntungkan. Penggunaan sumber daya alam lebih terkelola dengan baik, kemudian emisi yang ada bisa dikurangi gitu ya, dan juga tentunya ini akan menghasilkan selain benefit bagi masyarakat banyak lingkungan kita yang bisa sustain gitu ya, juga profit bagi industri di masa depan.
Bambang added, Indonesia has taken a right direction to reach the net zero emission by 2050 by preparing related socialization on emission reduction annually to all industry players.
Queensland University of Australia visited a steel manufacturing facility in Cikarang, West Java, in an effort to achieve net zero emission in the steel industry.
Steel manufacturing factory PT Tata Metal Lestari sponsored the Thursday's visit through the New Colombo Plan or NCP program from the Australian government. Vice President of Operation of PT Tata Metal Lestari, Stefanus Kuswandi, has said that until now, Indonesia and Australia have signed several cooperation deals in the light steel industry to achieve the net zero emission targets of both countries.
The Australian government has a G2G agreement, the RCPA, so we have 0% duty for export and import between Australia and Indonesia. I think it's a good start for the cooperation between the government. So this is also what I call the borderless trade. So in this borderless trade, we also need to be responsible in terms of the carbon emission about the product that we export. So we want the customer, the end customer, to see also the value chain of the green, and they can appreciate what the product made from.
The Associate Professor at School of Chemical Engineering of Queensland University, Adrian Oman, said apart from the export activity, the Australian government also supports the light steel industry by establishing industry-related collaboration with the academic sector.
So this program that is supported by Australia is the New Colombo Plan, and so it supports a student exchange from the University of Queensland, also with the University of Indonesia, and so this tour that we did here was really devoted to broaden the student experience and allow them to appreciate new industries that maybe they would not have seen before in real life. So I think that's so the Australian role, I think, was mostly to support students be able to travel to Indonesia and gain these kind of experience.
The New Colombo Plan, or NCP, is a leading initiative program of the Australian government that offers prestigious scholarships and grant funds to young Australian graduates to take part in live-in learning, internships, training, as well as industrial and business visits in the Indo-Pacific region.